has a little bit more of a flat bottom too, so maybe we'll still be able to see them. Start. So what was the last one? Like 10 minutes and then it blew?
Something like that, yeah.
Hopefully this time they'll both go at the same time. It's still a push button door though, so it's going to take a lot of energy to open that door. Oh, that one's getting kind of a weird shape to it. Ooh, it's melting. Look at that.
Let's see. Woo. Ooh.
Whoa!
And there we go.
Plasma!
And now they seem to have...
The microwave is still running. I think both balls are gone, but the microwave is still going.
They're both definitely gone.
Yeah, I see nothing.
That is a tough microwave, man.
Now, we will... Who made this microwave?
What?
Who made this microwave?
GE. Which is...
We'll have to send GE a letter stating that they have the most enduring microwave we have.
The ping pong balls are no more.
Sorry.
Notice the entire lack of ping pong balls.
Wow, they're completely gone.
Yep. They're gone. They evaporated. And, hey, I wonder if I can still sell it on Craigslist.
2 ping pong balls into our brand new microwave. And
Wow.
it's toast.
It looked like brand new anyways.
It was brand new. Sure.
It's
Look
like...
at the door.
Yeah.
Blackened.
Like the Metallica song.
We have effectively cooked the microwave with the use of ping pong balls.
However,
Sporting goods.
it's still on.
Yep.
So,
that is
impressive.
the toughest microwave you can buy, apparently.
Except for,
Better than Betty Crocker.
unless Blendtec made one, then maybe that'd be better. But
That would be WaveTech.
oh yes, WaveTech. Unless somebody started WaveTech off of that other company who makes blenders.
You got anything else you want to sacrifice?
Nothing, I'm good.
Anything you think you could kill this GE microwave with?
Apparently, if you wrap silverware in aluminum foil, it makes an arc.
Actually, aluminum foil just makes arcs all by itself.
It does.
What happens if you put 2 aluminum foil balls in the microwave?
Yeah, that's good.